Increasing protein intake in children is important for their growth and development. Here are some tips to help you ensure that your child gets enough protein. Include protein-rich foods, lean meats such as chicken, turkey, and fish. Eggs. Consider various preparations like boiled, scrambled, or omelets. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Nuts and seeds. Consider age-appropriate options and be cautious of choking hazards. Choose whole grains. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread instead of refined grains. These provide additional protein and other nutrients. Include dairy or dairy alternatives. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are good sources of protein and calcium. If your child is lactose intolerant or you prefer plant-based options, choose fortified plant-based milk alternatives. Nutrient-dense snacks. Offer protein-rich snacks like Greek yogurt, cheese sticks, nut butter on whole grain crackers or apple slices, or a handful of nuts and seeds. Add protein to meals. Boost the protein content of meals by adding lean meats, beans, or tofu to salads, stir-fries, and casseroles. Incorporate protein supplements if necessary. Consult with a pediatrician before considering protein supplements. In most cases, it's best to obtain nutrients from whole foods, but in certain situations, supplements may be recommended. Variety is key. Ensure a variety of protein sources to provide a broad spectrum of nutrients. This also helps prevent monotony in the diet. Make meals enjoyable. Present meals in a fun and appealing way. Engage children in the process of selecting and preparing their food to make mealtime enjoyable. Be mindful of portion sizes. Ensure appropriate portion sizes for your child's age and activity level. Children have smaller stomachs, so it's important to provide nutrient-dense foods. Monitor growth and development. Regularly monitor your child's growth and development with the guidance of their pediatrician. If there are concerns about nutrition, seek professional advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your child's diet, especially if you have concerns about their nutrition or if they have any dietary restrictions or health conditions.